Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So if you are a beginner and if you are looking for something which you can paint easily, so this video is absolutely for you. So in today's video I'm going to use wet and wet technique, and I'm going to use masking tape to cover my sheet because obviously I'm using wet and wet technique. And today I'm going to paint flowers field. So in the wet and wet technique we need to wetten our sheet thoroughly. So go back and forth multiple times and wetten your sheet completely. Now with the help of blue and pink color, just go a little bit on the upper area, not too much, not too dark. I'm keeping it very light and very simple background or sky, you can say. That's it. That is what we wanted here. And now the lower area is for fields. And today we are painting this with loose style, so we don't have to think about structure and all those things. We just need to sprinkle some color into it, so do not ruin your upper area. So let's cover the upper area with the help of tissue paper, okay, so that we can focus on the lower area. So I have sprinkled pink color, then I'm going to sprinkle some blue color, purple color, yellow color, those kind of colors. So you can use whatever color you like. Make sure your sheet has wetted enough. This is very freestyle flower field or flower meadow, so it's quite simple. Even you are very new to watercolor, don't forget to sprinkle some clean water. It gives very special effect. I'm not able to show you. If you find excess water in the middle, you can grab from the tissue paper. Now sprinkle some white color also. So I'm using very concentrated white color. It's not too watery, so that we can see white color at least. And then sprinkle some green. So basically the concept is just wetten your sheet and sprinkle colors into it. Now with the help of green color, add some stems. Remove the tissue paper. Now I am adding more water into the lower area to make it little more watery because it's quite dry now. And now I am sprinkling some more green. And white color. So white color is important, so sprinkle more white into it. And then with the help of concentrated white color only, create some petals in between. So this is not visible, I know that, but it's quite visible for me at least. And I'm going to highlight all these flowers with the help of pink color later. So these are my main flower. I'm adding only few, 3 or 4, and then I'm going to add stems and leaves, or we can say highlighted stems and leaves for the main flowers. Little detailing around main flowers like ovary of the flower with the help of red color, and then stems and leaves with the help of green color. I'm adding some one stroke leaves in between, and I think we are quite done. Don't overdo this, and just clean your area a little bit and remove the masking tape slowly. And we're done with this painting. So hope you have liked this video. Do let me know if you guys have any feedback for me, and thank you so much for all your love and support, and thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video.